there's Dave. Cheese. Almost done. Master bedroom. These are actually tiles that look like wood. Big closet. Bathroom, master bath. Lovely. Light fixtures. Crown molding. Jack and Jill. Jill and Jack. Jack and Addie. And one more room. With its own shower. Mom and Dad. Nice walk-in shower. There's my leg. And the kitchen with Viking appliances. Front door, lovely. Wine closet. Need a lot of wine. Kitchen. Cool, funky lights. Stamped concrete deck. Our house. And huge refrigerator. Lovely view from your kitchen sink. Okay, that's the end of the tour. Oh, and the laundry room. Most important.